45 divided by 5 upon 3 times 9. Use the rule of threes are 3, 9. 45 divided by 5 times 3. 9 times 3 is equal to 27 is the wrong. "45 divided by 5 upon 3 times 9 is equal to 45 kcf. Reciprocal times 9. 9 times 3 times 9. Left to right. 27 times 9. 243 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए।